Mr. Vico Soto. Giovanni Baldesseri as Teban. Marela Torre as Yaya Mira. Zion Cruz as Felipe. Marela Torre as Yaya Mira. Once again, Cedric Juan as Young Lacan. We have Nico Antonio as Taret. Lumanlan. Please welcome Sid. Let's welcome Sue Ramirez as Dayang Luwalhati. As Dayang Matimyas. Let's all welcome once again the Director of the Kingdom, Direct Mike B. Tubiera.
It's excitement and kaba. Tinatanong ako ni PJ kanina, how are you feeling? Sabi ko, I'm okay. 5 araw na ako din nakakatulog. And that's because I'm excited. And at the same time, nandun pa ba. And seeing my friends and family here, supporting me, supporting the film, supporting everyone, nakakatanggal ng kaba, nakakadagdag ng excitement. Thank you very much everyone. Happy Christmas. Here's Piolo.
Yes, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat for joining us tonight. Napakahirap gamitin ng pelikula nowadays, pero ito po handog namin na Kingdom. Hindi po kayo magsisisi. Pare-pareho po natin mapapanood sa unang pagkakataon ng The Kingdom. Sana po mag-enjoy tayo. A blessed and a Merry Christmas. Everyone, thank you. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you so much once again, Mr. Piolo Pascual and our bossing Vic Soto. Ngayon tuloy naman natin ang iba nating cast members. Of course, we want to know, guys, how are you feeling tonight? Sabay-sabay na namin.
Si Sin Lucero daw. Thank you so much for having us.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming out tonight. Alam namin matrami. Pero sana, syempre may enjoy yung film. Yes, po. Maraming salamat.
Ngayon, tawagin natin si Cedric. Of course, we want to know how you're feeling as well. Or kaya may baka gusto kang i-share sa ating mga friends and family who are here tonight supporting us.
Yun na po. Sana yung magaganap po ng Metro Manila Film Festival, yung 15 na po ay nagkakaroon natin ng mga starting po sa unahin natin yung The Kingdom at kasama na rin po yung show sa movie. Kasi lahat po ay kwento ng bawang Pilipino sa behind cast of the
Seth, pumunta naman tayo dito sa kabila. Hello, Zion. Hello, Mark. Kamusta naman kayo, guys? Grabe yung energy ng friends and family natin dito. Ayun!
Let's go!
Let's go! Ayun po, ibibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon mag-hello sa ating friends and family na nasa Cinema 15. Kaya samahan niyo po ako. Bibisitahin natin sila doon. Okay. Cinema 12 daw po muna. Nagkakamula. Sorry, we have 3 cinemas tonight! Diba, guys?
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you everyone, friends and family. Maraming salamat for joining us tonight for the premiere showing of The Kingdom. At sana mag-enjoy kayo katulad ng pag-enjoy namin sa paggawa ng pelikula nito. Eh po lang, Happy Christmas to everyone.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for taking your time to be here tonight. And we guarantee that you're going to enjoy the film. Thank you. Merry Christmas, everyone. Please enjoy The Kingdom.
Thank you guys so much. Alam namin na mahirap pumunta rito on the Friday before Christmas, pero pumunta pa rin kayo. Looking around, I don't think, actually, parang hindi natin premiere to. Actually, this is the Soto Family Block screening. Represent! Diba? So, maraming salamat. It's such an honor and a privilege for us to share this movie for the first time with friends and family. So, thank you so much for coming, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take